Hey Guillaume, I'm going to do a quick demo for you here. This is like the landing page for creators. So it's like a safe way to grow your audience. Like the basic proposition here is like fear, because Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube can suspend your account. But that's just one way to market it. We also have like another ways. For example, if you want to save time, that's the way that I use, and that's why I created Lemeno in the first place. It's just to organize the content. But anyway, let's see the app. So we can go here and let's put my email here, and then you create your account. And then when you create your account, of course, you don't have any search, anything here. The idea is not to bring all your social media. It's just to bring what you really want to follow, that you want to let you know. So I'm going to add a search, and I can add any search here, like for example, myself. And then when the user starts to add the search, we start to teach him how to use the system. So this tool is going to show the timeline, like you can archive the content, then you can bulk archive if you have a lot of content from the same author and you want to just get rid of it. You can also mark to read later, because you can organize your content this way. You can also group your sources into views. So I have, for example, my tech YouTube, I have my like cook YouTube, I have different topics grouped in different views. So I know where I want to spend my time first. And to create a view, you can just click here and you can edit it, and you can see everything that is there, and you can select the filters, and you can also manage notifications. For example, you can receive everything in the email. So it's already like a newsletter, but just for automatic social media tracking. But you can also have just the daily email with your source. Then you have a few options here for notifications. But that's basically what is this for the reader. So we start to archive, and then you can mark to read later. And of course, you can access this content here, and you can create the views as I show you, and you have the sources here that you can add new source, you can filter your source. So the product is basically it. But here in that source, you have Twitter, you have YouTube, we also have Instagram. Instagram is not, we are not able to find the stories because they don't have an API, but you can find the posts. So it's helpful if you follow someone that is using the feed section. And you also have your RSS, so you can follow Reddit, you can follow different sources here like Substack as well. That is also a newsletter. So I have a bunch of options here. And just to show you like how is a real account, that's my real account. I have 71 items on my timeline right now, and I have a bunch of views. So like I have a view for Stoic, and I have a view for like Code for the Win, my project to teach people how to learn. I have another view for my first million. That is a podcast that I like. So I have a bunch of different views. And if I don't have time to parse all my feed, I can just focus in this view. Or if a view is not really important, I can just go here and I can just archive everything. But now talking about the creator is a different aspect. I'm showing you here as an individual, someone that wants to read. As a creator, our plan is now to have like a view. So you can have a view for a specific person, for example, Elon Musk. And then when you share this link, that already works, okay? Like when you share this link, I'm going to get everything that is inside this link, and I'm going to clone it to this account. So now I also have the same view. Can you see? I went to another account. So I also have the same view with everything here. So if you are a creator, you could have like a view with all your accounts, and then with one click, the user is going to follow you. And by default, everything that you post here is going to go to the user emails. So what are you going to do now? We are going to add a newsletter feature. So you can also create the content in Lemeno as a newsletter, but you also have all your other social medias easily going to your follower inbox. So here is where we think we have some value for creators. So we have everything tracked automatically from different sources, and you're going to add LinkedIn and podcasts as well. And also you have a custom way to send messages. So we have a bunch of ideas for newsletter, because we have created newsletter for many big companies along the years. So we want to bring everything together. So I think you're going to be the only newsletter that can deliver your social posts to your followers automatically. So that's basically our vision. I already use Lemeno for more than a year myself, because I create this for myself to organize my life. So that's the value for the reader. And you're going now to try to create some value for creators. And that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.